Hi guys! Welcome to my crib. Say hi, Desi.
Hi, Desi.
Hi.
Daddy.
So welcome to our empty house tour. Semi-empty house tour. The house is still has the furniture because it was a staged home. But this is our formal living room. Look, I can twirl in it. This is the dining room area. This is my lovely pair. And I'm gonna take you guys into our kitchen. Excuse my mess, I haven't cleaned up yet. This is a beautiful kitchen. It has two doors to the outside, which is these right here that we just passed. And this really, really cute door right here. That leads you to the backyard. I don't know what it's called, but it's beautiful. Lots of cabinet space. And let me take you guys outside since it's up here. Desi, say this is my backyard. So look at this big backyard. So this is the top part of the backyard. We're either gonna do like the kids play area here with maybe a trampoline or something, and then like the adult area down there, or vice versa. Let me take you guys down. This needs landscaping. My husband wants to build husband, what is it called?
A deck.
He wants to build a deck in the future. So that's going to be taken care of. And this is the other living room. So let's go back in and then we'll show you that area.
Come on, Des.
Come on, Des.
Yeah, cool rock. Come on.
Come. Okay, so then we're going to take you on to the rest of the house. This is actually, the only downfall that the kitchen has is that it doesn't have a walk-in pantry. So we're going to build this coat closet into a pantry since it's literally right next to the doorway. Downstairs, where the toys are. It has a beautiful fireplace. This is where we're gonna have our living room, like TV area where we hang out and do stuff. And this is the bar. You guys have a bar in your living room. It does not match the rest of the house, but it is real beautiful wood. So we're gonna paint it in not the near future, but probably sometime next year. We're gonna have a professional paint because we don't want to ruin this type of wood. It has wine holders, the sink probably. Sorry, there's an echo down here. The sink probably will get something cuter, but again, we'll do that later. And down here is the small bathroom. What is it called? Forget what they call these things. Look at the floor. Look how pretty the floor is. What is the professional word for this? Powder room. And now we're gonna go upstairs to the bedroom. Oh, we just passed the garage, so there's a 2-car garage down there. And then what we love about this house is that all the bedrooms are near each other and they're all upstairs. We are not big fans of carpet, but we are okay with it for now. All the rooms have carpet. Closet space, probably we're going to put the towels and the blankets and all that stuff. This room is going to be Noah's room, and then each room has the same closet, just a simple closet. And then Noah's going to have a view of the backyard. Hopefully he doesn't try to escape as a teenager. And I'm out of breath. And let's move on to, this room's gonna be Nyla's room. It's the bigger room out of the kids' rooms. Super plain for now. She has a mirror closet. And yeah, just a simple closet. And then next to Nyla's room is gonna be Desi's room. This is Desi's room. When the baby is 1, Desi and the baby will share a room. And then beautiful sink area. And a cute mirror. And then we're gonna show you guys the master bedroom. It's not huge, but it's, you know, perfect for us. Here's the master bedroom. We have a beautiful view of the mountains. And this cute little place where I'm gonna sit and think. And then we have a walk-in closet. I've always wanted a walk-in closet. You want to work out in here? Oh, so it's, you know, just a simple closet. You know, we're gonna put another shelving and stuff to add more clothes. Here's a master bathroom. The light is here. No? Is it? The light is here? No? The light is here. Found the light. It's a double vanity, right? That's what it's called, vanity. It's a double vanity. Lots of little drawers and some wipes. And lots of space. Cute mirrors, the toilet, and then a beautiful shower. And that's about it. That's the house. Woo! We're so excited. All right, guys. So thank you guys for watching my semi-empty house tour. We're so excited to have this house. And I'm so excited to decorate and make it our own. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a like. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I need to drink some water. Bye, guys.